Hello everyone to the next project showcase. This is a landing page built with help of Tailwind, CSS and React.js. The page is responsive. First and foremost is responsive, and also they provided with the dark and light mode. Right, and then you get to see here the grid design backed with some shadow effect on hover, and also buttons, some more grids and collections of grids. Okay, the theme, buttons. Here you can see the beautiful the image overlay, and the gradients has been set it up. For example, this image here has been slightly faded up to the white overlay, and this kind of design is pretty neat and adds some aesthetic value. And also you can see here some more informations. Here the implementation of flex is done, and the car. Alright, also some more cards with more cleaner design. And then this is a skeleton animation. You can see most of the time whenever the data gets loads from server, at the time the loading durations is shown by such cool skeleton animation. And also footer, and also have one button to change mode here. One at the bottom, one at the end, and one at the top. You can change the mode as you desire. Alright, dark mode, and then light mode. The design is responsive. You can see here whenever you try to run this different machine or different physical device, there is one debugging tool that helps to figure out what kind of device is medium, large, or small. Alright, and then everything, the source code is linked on the description below. You can check it out to build your own. On medium device, the grid. Oh, okay, let's see. A small device, the grid layout is the grid column, the single grid column, and whenever it's stretched up. Medium device, it gets divided into two. Alright, and stretch more on large device 3, and very large device 4, and it gets adjusted automatically. Okay, toggle button to change the mode on different devices. The implementation of the dark mode and light mode is very easy with help of Tailwind CSS framework. That's very easy. It's so powerful that it makes your work load, it reduces your workload quite sharply, right? So this was all about the project, the landing page with the responsive design, and all the source codes is linked in description box. Do check out and do your own. Good luck.